Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Brianna. It's nice to have you joining us today. I wanted to talk about the that girl aesthetic. It does look aesthetically pleasing. It could just be a trend. I think that the trend is kind of toxic. It kind of promotes a unrealistic lifestyle, and it kind of implies that you should have all of these products and have a lot of money in order to be able to live this kind of lifestyle. While I like the fact that it makes people want to be productive and to take care of themselves, I also think that it does set unrealistic expectations. But no matter my opinions on this trend, the makeup aspect of it, I've gotten to learn about a bunch of new products which I am going to be sharing with you guys today. So I kind of wanted to show you guys my version of the that girl makeup look. I feel like it goes hand in hand with the clean girl makeup look, which I did make a video on, and I will have a little info card on the screen so you guys can go and watch that if you want. But I am doing this just for fun. I do not live a that girl lifestyle at all. But I kind of like all of the makeup products that I've gotten introduced to because of this trend, so let's just get right into it. I have my Glossier makeup bag here full of all of my products that I'm going to be using today, and I will be putting all of the product information on the screen for you guys, probably on this side, so you guys can go and check out these products if you want any. I will also try my best to link as much as I can in the description below. All my skincare is done. I did all my skincare. My skin is nice and prepped and ready. I do want to moisturize my lips though, and I'm going to be using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which so many people have been talking about. I feel like not a single girl in this world does not have this. I am just going to take a little... I feel like this is a little bit of a bigger step than the clean girl makeup. The clean girl is very minimal. It's very effortless, like no makeup, but I feel like this one is kind of like rich, bougie, corporate wife type vibes, if you feel me. So I am aiming for that today. I'm going to be using my Glossier Future Dew. Absolutely love this, and I feel like this will be a really good base for me to kind of set all my makeup in place and give me a really nice glow. You guys can just like automatically see the glow. Okay, so for foundation, I am going in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a foundation that has been making the internet go absolutely crazy. So I'm just gonna apply it to my face. This would like match me perfectly in the summer because it is like really bronzy, but once you blend it in, it actually doesn't look too bad. It matches once you blend it in. Oh my god, like look at the glow that it gives. It definitely does lighten up the more you blend it in, and plus after you add concealer. So for concealer, this is another product that has kind of went viral, and it is the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. I'm not gonna lie, this really surprised me. I was not expecting it to be as full coverage as it is. All I'm gonna do, because it is a pump, which I'm not that big of a fan of, I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand, and I'm doing like the smallest pump, okay? Like the smallest pump, because this product is so full coverage and spreads so nicely. You do not want to put way too much. I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm brushing that, and all I've been seeing on TikTok is putting your concealer on your inner corners and then winging it out. I'm also gonna put a little under my nose, the center of my forehead, and then the center of my chin. I'm going to take a beauty blender. Mine is from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna blend it in. All right, the concealer's all blended in. It looks very beautiful. Something else that's been kind of getting viral is the bronzer from Milk Makeup. So I have this one. This is what it looked like before. I know they just redid it and it looks totally different now. So what I do is I actually take a brush. This is a Real Techniques brush, and I just go over it and then I stipple it onto the face and I blend it up. I'm also gonna do a little on the forehead. When I'm done with that, I take my beauty blender and I kind of just go over it. That's what the face looks like all bronzed. You probably can't even tell a difference. It's a very, very small difference. Okay, last thing for the face right now is blush. Talk about this in every video that I make. Rare Beauty liquid blush. I picked up a new shade. This is in the shade Hope. So I just kind of do 3 small dots, do maybe like 2 on the nose a little bit. I just take my beauty blender and I will blend it. It blends so nicely into the skin and it looks so natural. I can't begin to express it. This side you can see it a lot better because my lighting is kind of weird today. Like this side it looks like there's barely anything there, but I promise there's stuff there. And then on the nose, I just blend it on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so the base is done for now. And I want to work on my eyebrows. These are what my eyebrows are looking like right now. The product I'm going to be using for my eyebrows is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat. I'll kind of go in closer here so you guys can see. These are my natural brows, but I usually start off by filling in the end. The brows are nice and filled in. It's very light, and I have sisters, not twins, so I try my best. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a little bit more of the concealer that I used earlier, the NYX concealer, and I'm going to be just applying this underneath the brow, kind of sharpen it up a little bit. And I'm taking a really small blender brush and I'm just gonna blend that concealer. All of that's blended out, and now for one last step for the brows. You gotta set it. You gotta set your brows. That's the thing now, right? So I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wax, or Brow Freeze, my bad. Like, oh my god. You know, it is kind of irritating to work with, but it does make your brows look so freaking good. Like, look at the difference with it, without it. It's on the brows, and that is all we're doing for brows today. Now, this next step is something I don't think you guys have ever seen me do before, and that is eyeshadow. I'm taking some tape to help me, and I know I probably should have done this before I did my whole base, but honestly, it doesn't really, I can just add more concealer if anything. We have the tape on. I feel like I can't blink. This is like the smoked out winged eyeliner that I've been seeing everywhere, and so I want to do it. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, my bad. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be taking this dark brown. It's going to be in the shade Cypress Umber if you do have this palette. Tapping off any excess and then just following the line. I'm applying it very close to my eyelash line, not going all the way in the inner corner yet. And it's okay if it's a little messy because we're going to be smoking it out anyway, so I feel like it doesn't really matter. Also, I should probably mention that this is my first time actually trying to do this look because I've never done it before. So my apologies if it looks really bad. I'm taking a small little smudger brush and I am going in with the shade Rustic to kind of help me blend this wing out a little bit. And then lastly, I'm going in with the tiniest amount of black. I'm going to take the tape off. It's kind of cute. And with the Bobbi Brown cream eyeshadow stick, I'm just popping it in the corners of my eyes. Okay, next up is some lashes. I'm using these lashes that I got from Marshall's. Do not know the name of them. What has been going on with the lashes, right? People are putting them only on the outer portion of your eye to kind of make it flare out more. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm just putting the lash glue onto the lash. Don't forget to just take it one step at a time, okay guys? It's a process. And then I'm gonna apply it onto the outer portion, kind of like that. I know it looks super weird and it's like so noticeable, but we're gonna fix it later, I promise. That one looks so much better than this one. But there's a police chase going on right now in front of my apartment building. But these are what the lashes look like. I have two different eye shapes. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I do. And I also have extremely poor vision on this side of my eye. So I really struggle doing anything on this eye because this is my main eye that I use to see things. Just blind people problems. But these are what the lashes look like on. And then the next step is mascara. I put mascara on after. I promise that it looks so much better when you do it this way instead of putting your mascara on first, because you can use the mascara to blend in your natural lashes with the fake ones. And it just looks so much more realistic. So I apply mascara to my front lashes. It's nice and blended. Cute. Very cute. Very rich corporate wife, if you ask me. I am going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow palette next. And I'm going to take the Sculpt shade and kind of just warm up my face. I'm using a very, very light hand. I don't want to go too crazy with this. Then I'm going in with the highlight shade and I'm just gonna highlight. So pretty. On the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the lip, a little on the chin. And then the last step, I'm so sorry this video is so long. I'm gonna try and make it as short as I can. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So I'm just gonna line my lips using the lip liner first. The lip liner is on, and now it's time for the lipstick. Lipstick's on. I think the shade looks so good on everybody that I've seen wearing it. I'm like actually obsessed with it. The final step in my interpretation of the That Girl makeup is setting spray. This is the one by Ilium Sequoia, and it is the Hydra setting spray. I'm just gonna set my face. Oh my god, this smells exactly like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. We are done with my That Girl makeup look. This is how I interpreted all of the trends that I've seen, all of the videos that I've seen on TikTok. This is kind of just a look kind of based around all of that. This is everything that I've got. Don't forget that this was all just for fun. You do not have to do your makeup like this every day, unless you'd like to, of course. No one's judging. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe, comment if you want to, comment anything. If you want me to try new makeup, if there's any trends that you want me to try, go ahead and leave all of that in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next week.